Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by preparing API access so the app can talk to YouTube. Create or pick a Google Cloud project and enable the YouTube Data API. This grants the endpoints you need. Next, create an OAuth 2. Zero client ID. Pick web app if your app runs on a server or desktop app for local testing. Once done, whitelist the redirect URI used during sign-in and copy the client ID and client secret into a secure place. These credentials let your app request permission from users. Now implement the OAuth flow so users can grant access. Direct the user to Google's consent URL with the YouTube scopes your app needs. Explain why each scope is requested. After the user consents, your app receives an authorization code, which you exchange server-side for an access token and a refresh token. Make sure to store the refresh token encrypted and never expose it client-side. Use the access token for API calls, and when it expires, call the token endpoint to refresh it automatically. Finish by making authenticated API calls and verifying behavior. Use the YouTube Data API endpoints you need, videos, playlists, channels, and include the authorization header with the access token. Test common flows. Upload a video, update metadata, and retrieve channel info. Monitor quota usage to avoid 403 quota errors. If something fails, first make sure the scopes match the action and the redirect URI used during sign-in. Also confirm tokens are valid and check API quotas. Refreshing the token often resolves expired authentication issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.